Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my hair routine that involves aloe vera juice that I use as a leave-in conditioner or moisturizer, as well as my Ayurvedic growth oil. If you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So my regimen is going to start on Saturday, which was my wash day. So this container that I'm showing you guys contains henna and amla powder that has been infused with oils. So oils such as olive oil, sunflower oil, black Jamaican castor oil, almond oil, and I believe lemon essential oil. All of this oils were in my hair growth oil. I do have a video on this. So basically my hair growth oil was in this container, and this is the powder, the henna and amla powder, that basically sink to the bottom of the container, and I'm going to be using that powder and I'm going to add some deep conditioner to it. So I'm going to be using the Aussie 3-minute miracle, I don't know why I can't talk today, 3-minute miracle deep conditioner. And if you're going to use henna powder and mix it with conditioner, you definitely want to use a moisturizing conditioner and not a strengthening conditioner, because henna is already a strengthening agent. So yeah, so I'm just going to mix those two things together and I'm going to apply it to my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up in a plastic bag and let this mixture sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. So I just finished washing out the conditioner out of my hair. Make sure you wash out your hair really well, because you may miss some spots like I did. So I had to hop back in the shower and rinse out my hair some more. But I use warm water when I'm rinsing out this mixture. And this is how my hair looks. Make sure also, if you're going to use henna powder, to wear like clothes that you don't really care about, or wear dark colored clothes, because henna does stain. Now I'm going to be moisturizing my hair. What I use to moisturize my hair, I'm going to be using aloe vera juice as my leave-in, and then I'm going to be using aloe vera oil as my sealant. And if you guys want to see how I did that, I do have a video on this and it'll be linked in the description box. So after I've moisturized my hair, I just went ahead and put my hair into some mini twists. So I'm probably going to be rocking these mini twists for the next 2 weeks as I figure out what I'm going to do with my hair next. And I am done for the night. So now it is Monday night and I'm going to be starting my moisturizing routine, which involves the aloe vera juice, which I use as a leave-in conditioner, which I do not wash out. And I also am using my henna and amla oil, hair growth oil, to seal in the moisture. So basically I just put my hair into a bun and I use some Marley twist pieces to wrap around my ponytail to help shape my bun, and I'm just going to take that down and moisturize my hair. So I'm just going to section off my hair and I'm just going to spray my roots with the aloe vera juice, and I'm going to spray the ends of my hair as well. And then once I do that, I'm going to apply the oil to my scalp and my hair, and I'm going to also make sure that I massage my scalp.
What we do here is go back.
So I like to do this regimen at least 3 times a week. In this video, I did it on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to spray my hair with the aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to seal everything in with the henna and amla oil. So this is my hair regimen. I hope you guys got a better picture of what my hair regimen looks like during the week. And if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to share my video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.